Hello, this video is going to explain the specialisation workshops and the structure of the workshops for you to navigate through. Today I've chosen physical education as an example. Your workshop will look slightly different given the specific content that your specialisation teacher has chosen. However, the structure of all workshops are the same. So you have been allocated to two workshops. Workshop 1 is your specialisation week 1, and this is indicated in your specialisation workshops tab here. And the specialisation week 2 will be your other specialisation. So you may have access to both workshop 1 and workshop 2 in both specialisations, but you will need to complete only workshop 1 that is listed for your first specialisation and workshop 2 for your second specialisation. You have a welcome page when you first click on the physical education or your own specialisation workshop. Okay, and these are listed on the left hand side here. You'll come with a welcome page that explains the foci of the workshop in specialisation Spec B. And you will be covering content on these 6 areas here in terms of reflecting on the VCE context or VCAL or senior secondary context. As I said before, we have 2 workshops. The first workshop, you need to actively engage with the content that is presented from the workshop teacher. They may have videos, they may have tasks, they may have additional Word documents or websites to visit. So we want you to actively engage with that content. They have also set, as I said, tasks. So this might look like a to-do or a requirement or a task. This is the material that we would like you to record, either in a Word document or any form. You could take a picture if you like, to provide as evidence that you have engaged with this workshop 1. This will be your attendance, so to speak. Once you have completed the coursework set by the workshop teacher, you will upload it to the Dropbox. We have created a separate workshop hurdle task for you to put in your evidence for engaging with the workshop 1. This will be visible to you in week 11. Just going back to workshop 1. And you will also see that the workshop 2 here will be your graded completion of assessment task 2, and you'll be assessed by the workshop teacher, and they have provided you with some information about the assessment in addition to what we provide. So this workshop is an opportunity for you to engage with what the specialisation teacher connects with in terms of their pedagogy and curriculum practices in their specialisation, and they will cover a combination of these. You will see the modules listed, and this might look slightly different. They might be called something else, okay, but you have modules to complete, okay? So PE here, if I click on the physical education modules, will take me to information. Now this teacher has provided some videos for me to watch. So we watch the videos and then complete the tasks. So this specialisation teacher has uploaded some PDF documents for you to work through. Some workshop teachers have provided the content within this space here, but it is all very clear if you work through the workshop 1 and complete all tasks, open all documents provided by the workshop teacher. We also have a second module in workshop 1 which will help you and assist you for the workshop. Okay, you need to brainstorm these ideas, and your specialisation teacher will provide a video or some documents to help you unpack these questions in terms of PE. Now, in terms of the second workshop, that is associated with your assessment. Okay, So we have provided quite a lot of information here to help you navigate the assessment. We suggest that you work on an interactive or a group collaborative platform such as a Google Doc, and upload the Google Doc either as a shared link into a Word document or upload the downloaded document into the Dropbox space. All group members need to upload the documents, even though they are identical, so that we can record your result and assess your work. So we have some information from the workshop teacher here, and you need to read through the instructions. Okay, the instructions have been set and you can click on here. Assessment task 2 has been outlined in a Word document for you to download, and I have made a video explaining the assessment 2. The teacher then has supplied some videos helping you unpack and helping you approach the assessment task from the perspective of your specialisation. They have also provided you with some planners that will help you, or that you were going to use in order to complete the task. So they have supplied a flawed assessment task, unit plan, and you will need to improve it as per the assessment instructions. There is also an exemplar example that you can model from if you so wish. Some teachers have also put assessment 2 resources in here, okay, but we have also supplied the VCAA study design, the assessment principles, and the VCAL curriculum if you are focusing on VCAL. Once you have finished the assessment, you need to go into the Dropbox space and drop your assessment. Every group member needs to drop the same assessment into the unit box for the specialisation teacher to mark. So that's an overview of the workshops. We hope you get a lot out of engaging with the material that the workshop teacher has provided for you, and the assessment too. Good luck.